Okay, it's been about an hour and a half since I've been up here, and my drain is covered again, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe that out. And if it doesn't keep running, then I'm going to take the tape off, and I'm going to put something in its place so that it doesn't go into the drain, just to make sure. I don't want it to harden and then not be able to get it off. I got a little bit of running on the masking tape that I reapplied. Not too much, so I think that it might have started to get a little thicker and less, I guess, forgiving, so I got to be really careful. Alright, so I'm going to stop for a minute and get my paper towel and start wiping out that drain. Okay, so I took the tape off the drain. I cleaned it the best I can. It seems to still be running a little bit. So if it goes over a little, then it's just going to have to go over a little bit, because I don't want to take a chance that it will harden and then I end up ruining it. And I pulled some of that stuff away, so I think I'm going to pull up that tape before I leave. It's been a couple hours now, so I would hope that it's not running anymore. I don't see that the drips there. There's some drips on the side that don't seem to be going anywhere, so hopefully where I piled that up, see, it's not really, can't really tell, but you might tell there, it didn't quite smooth out the way I would like it to, and there is a disadvantage to having a boob. When I reached over, I hit that, and I'm hoping it'll even out. But if it doesn't, I still think it's thick enough. I don't want to mess with it because I might make it worse. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Hope for the best. It's not terribly noticeable. But all in all, this stuff hardens up and stays on, I'll be happy. The color looks good. It's nice and bright and shiny. I'm just hoping it stays bright and shiny and white and clean looking. Alright, let me pull this stuff up. Hopefully I don't got too much underneath of it. And I do. But I'll tell you what, tomorrow I will come back and clean the floor. That ain't happening tonight. And I normally caulk there anyway, so it's not going to look that much different. Usually I use a clear caulk. Alright, I need my other hand, so see you later. Okay, so I couldn't bring myself to leave without cleaning up the paint. And since I cleaned that out, I put a cap on there to try and keep it from flowing in anymore, but it is still leveling. So let me just show you. See, so it's still a little wet there. I'll wipe that off and put it back on to try and keep it just away from the plug. If it's on the sides a little bit, I can live with that, but I don't want it to go down into the drain. I'll clean that up and put that back on, and hopefully tomorrow, maybe it won't run anymore tonight, but who knows? We'll see. Tomorrow we'll find out. Cleanup time. I'm going to just Let that stay just where it is. I want to go home and take a shower. And hope for the best. Well, let's see. It's so pretty. And here's my tile for the wall. That'll go up there. Make it all nice.